On August 30th of 2005, 25-year-old China Arnold was at her Dayton, Ohio home drinking when she began to have a verbal altercation with her boyfriend Paris Talley pertaining to the paternity of their baby, 28-day-old Paris Talley. After Terrell left the house, Arnold grabbed the baby, put her in the microwave, and turned it on. The next day, Terrell, coming in to check on the baby, noticed that she was cold and stiff. Immediately, they rushed the baby to the hospital, where she was pronounced dead. A few of the hospital personnel heard Arnold say, quote, "I killed my baby. I killed my baby." Later, police arrested Arnold for aggravated murder, but had to release her due to lack of evidence. The first trial ended in a mistrial. In the second trial, forensic examiners testified that during the autopsy, the baby's inner body parts, including vital organs, had been exposed to high temperatures, even though there were no signs of any burns on the outside of her skin. It was then concluded that the baby was placed in a microwave after a subsequent search of the microwave revealed baby Paris's DNA. However, the second trial ended in another mistrial after the surprise testimony of a family member who claimed he and his friends were in the apartment at the time of the murder, even though a jailhouse informant who had become a love interest of Arnold's testified that she had confessed to her that she put her baby in a microwave. With the third trial on the way and the death penalty still on the table, China Arnold was found guilty of the murder of Paris Talley. However, the jury could not come to a unanimous decision on the death penalty. On May 20th of 2011, China Arnold was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. This is the former site of where the murder occurred. This is where the Parkside home stood in December of 2006. The Housing Commission, or whatever local government organization that is in charge of that, decided to go ahead and just knock it down so they can make way for some form of new retail shops, basically urban development. This area is, to say the least, has seen better days, and I'm sure those better days were long ago. I'm barely a mile and a half from where the Samantha Ritchie murder occurred, and you can see now it doesn't look terribly bad, but if you go a mile down the road, of course, it gets a little bit seedy. And now there's nothing left. There's just a park. So now I'm going to go ahead and take you to baby Paris's final resting place. Between an alcoholic scumbag mother and a crack-selling father, this poor baby right here had absolutely no chance in this world. To die in such a horrific fashion, I don't even think a horror movie could tell this story like this. This baby wasn't even a month old. She wasn't even a month. 28 days old. Is this how this ends, Lord? Is this it? This baby that's it, huh? One chance, strike one and you're out. This baby doesn't get another chance at life. I believe in the Bible it talks about that there is no reincarnation, but I think Paris deserves a second chance. I hope you guys agree with me. And to die in that horrible way, I can only pray to God that she somehow didn't feel any pain.
Two horrific stories here in Dayton. Baby Paris here with little Samantha. I pray to the Lord that they both got a second chance, and maybe they have, you know, new lives. Maybe they live somewhere else. Maybe they're little kids and they're playing and they're friends or something. I don't know. I'm just a bum in his trailer. That's it. But maybe they're in a better place, and that better place is being reborn in a new body with parents who love them and cherish them. You got so many people all over the world who can't have babies, you know, whether it be physical or what have you. And these people here are having children and they're just killing their kids. I don't understand. And I don't want to understand. Some things I just don't want to understand. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I gotta go.